join us. The free market. You don't. Come on. Jarama na gida. Kai wata canga sun baka 200. Waye? Kai ya. Wani yara ki. Riga wannan da Allah. Waye suka bada? Wani Allah ya maku tambaya. Wani yanayin Kirsimeti suka ce. Wallahi Kirsimeti bana an kawo kaya akwai kudi an ci kaza. This one. Yes. How many you don't kill today? Today, I kill like
Cut this one. Bring down
400. 400. Yes, today. Plenty. That is why I tell you, say this Christmas we dey Kaji plenty. Power.
How much?
Today, ba, I kill like 500 or 400. No, pieces. How much you don't make? The money, each one. Now 200 each one. Cut one 200 naira. Yes, cut ba. Your name? What is your name? My name is Bashiru. Bashiru what? Bashiru Abdullahi. You dey cut chicken? Yes. What you dey do? Tell me what you dey do. I dey cut chicken. Yes. Then people, I dey sell her again. Then people bring her own cut. I cut power today like 1,000. Turkey like 100 turkey to here today. If you dey kill am, yes. If they do you anything, you dey happy? Say you dey kill am, you dey do am? Yes, I dey kill am, I dey pieces am for people. Then people dey carry am go house. Yes. You are the chopper? Yes, I dey chop am now. I dey chop chicken too? Yes. Allah, come on, sweet. It's sweet. Allah is sweet. Now, chicken, where you kill today, now like that you dey kill before? Before I dey kill and pass this. Because even my cage, any Christmas I go put power like 500
kuma all go finish. Ama this year I bring 300. Now I get like 60 pieces. I sell on 240 inside the 300.
The price where you dey sell them now and the price where you dey sell them before, which one is good?
Before I dey sell on 3,000. Now kuma I dey sell on 4,500, 4,000.
Why the price don't increase?
And because of the power, no day. Even the power they cost.
The cost?
Yeah, it cost.
You happy now say you make money, happy you know happy say you make money. You get money.
I'm not happy.
Yes, Akwe Kudi.
I'm not happy.
Akwe Amano be before like that Christmas.
Last Christmas, how much you make?
That Christmas, but I kill like 1,500 last Christmas. This one come I kill like 1,000 with turkey 100. I dey sell this one 5,000. This one a big one. For the upper, I dey sell am 4,000. Inside the 1,000, what I tell you, I bring and see the remain. I sell like 600, 650. Now like 350 they remain inside the 1,000.
Your name?
Abdullah Abubakar.
What do you do?
I dey sell chicken.
How many years you don't dey sell chicken?
I don't do like 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
You make kaza now?
Yes, sir.
Make kaza?
Yes, sir.
Serikin make kaza?
Na chairman for chicken for here, Ado.
This year, how many chicken you don't sell?
This year. I never can't I don't say plenty chicken.
You reach like 1,000?
I never reach you. Like 500.
Like 500?
Yes, sir.
For this Christmas, go?
Yes, sir.
People they buy them where? I mean they know they buy them.
People they buy way now because the problem my people they don't train chicken for house. Now the problem people you know they buy plenty like this, like before. You know before people you know the train you never sabi train chicken for house. So now people they train chicken way for house because people you know they buy like before.
So now because they buy chicken for house, they don't make you sell where?
Yes, sir. Because I never sell it like before. Because I never sell it like before.
But now, where you dey sell chicken, what you don't do with the money where you make from chicken? What you don't do with them?
Money. Plenty today now. Me I be family man now. I be family man now. I know get another business now. Only this business I get do. Anything I do now for this business I do.
What you don't do from this chicken?
This business. I don't do house for this business. My children they go school. Now this business. Anything you see I do now this business.
You go like make your children they do this cheap business?
Yes, sir. Why?
No, tell me say I want my children to do them.
I need my children. See my children now. Now my they do it now.
They sabi the business?
They train and small. They train my children. They do small now. Same now. Anytime market dey na they follow me. If this is school no day, they follow me for market now. I know they live on for house. They follow me for market now. They go school. So now school no day, they follow me. I know they live on for house now. If school no day, they will follow me for here. This one at the salary 8,000.
I know two costs.
Never cost. Na big chicken. You know anything now they cost. Before at the salary like 3-5. This year kuma anything they height. Because at the salary 8,000.
The last year how much you said this?
That time no go past 4,000, 3-5. No go past ladder though. So now put for chicken they cost too much. Because the chicken they cost too much. So now kuma any person in the intermarket you know anything they cost now. So the people they buy now you know anything they cost because they buy like that.
What do you go tell government about the cost way high?
So me I tell government supposed to anything go come down. Anything people they suffer too much now. People they suffer too much. Before if a person carry small money go come buy chicken. Now if he get small money you know go buy chicken. You know go buy chicken now. So suppose to government you go anything they come down.